they will know that I got a whistle, and I will warn Cope if he's a dog, and I will warn Cope to come back.
Good job.
That's what I do with a whistle to warn Cope.
So you'd use the whistle for that,
Yeah, to warn Cope.
to come back.
Yeah.
Okay.
When he runs away, I will have to warn him.
How would the whistle sound?
It will sound like this.
Oh,
That's how
a
I
loud
warn
one.
him. And first I'll put it over my neck and shake it up.
Okay, not too loudly though, because we're inside. Oh, did someone come? Oh, that was Allie.
If Allie barks, I will have to warn Allie if Allie runs away.
Yeah. Get a look at this.
Like this. Like that. Was that too loud?
No, that was fine.
Yeah. Was that too loud?
Nope, please.
Was that too loud?
Nope.
Good. Because that means we can't make loud noises in the house.
That's right.
But what if we have ear covers?
Oh man, I gotta fix your hair.
Hey, you just fixed it.
I know.
Hey, where's the ball? Where's the ball?
And then let me get your... What's that one? Ooh, that was good. I think, was that the point and flex? What's that? What are those? Oh, that's the point and flex.
Spin around.
Spin around.
And point, point, point.
Point, point, point.
And spinning, spinning.
Spinning. Not too much spinning.
Okay. I wonder if I'm gonna do this at ballet.
I think you're going to do some of that at ballet. And you might learn something new today. Whoa, careful. What's that you're doing?
It was flamingo walk.
The what?
Flamingo walk.
Oh, the flamingo walk. I love it.